How to shift lock on Roblox Xbox in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding how to enable shift lock on Roblox Xbox in Blox Fruits. Shift lock is a feature commonly found in the Roblox that fixes your camera's position, enhancing gameplay visibility. However, on the Xbox version of Blox Fruits, this setting is not available in the options menu. I'm recording this on my PC, where it's typically a default setting, easily accessible in the options menu. Unfortunately, on Xbox, even after the thorough exploration of the settings and in-game menus, the shift lock option remains elusive. As of now, it seems impossible to utilize the shift lock on console versions of Roblox. The developers have opted not to include this feature for the Xbox and PlayStation players unless a game developer creates a workaround. Shift lock remains exclusive to PC players. This video aims to inform viewers about the limitations of the shift lock on consoles and the absence of this feature in the Roblox console versions. To enjoy the shift lock, playing on the PC is currently the only viable option. I hope this clarifies any uncertainties. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.